What if pure luxury didn't stay parked outside a five-star hotel, but traveled with you wherever you went? Imagine a motorhome that feels less like an RV and more like a rolling presidential suite. This is the 2026 Cadillac V16 Limousine Motorhome, and you're watching RV TourHub. From the first glance, this motorhome defines elegance. The iconic Cadillac front design, extended limousine body, and flawless detailing give it an unmistakable presence. Long, low, and powerful, it's built to turn heads everywhere it goes. Underneath that refined exterior lies a V16 powerhouse, delivering smooth, effortless performance that feels more like a luxury sedan than a motorhome. Step inside, and the transformation is breathtaking. The interior opens into a spacious, ultra-luxury lounge finished with premium leather, real wood accents, and polished metal details. Ambient LED lighting flows throughout the cabin, creating a warm and sophisticated atmosphere. Large tinted panoramic windows ensure privacy while still offering stunning views of the world outside. The main living area is designed like a high-end executive suite. Plush reclining seats, a central entertainment console, and a massive smart display make this space perfect for relaxation or business on the move. Advanced sound insulation keeps the ride whisper quiet, turning every journey into a smooth, peaceful experience. The kitchen area continues the luxury theme. Sleek cabinetry hides high-end appliances, including an induction cooktop, microwave oven, refrigerator, and integrated coffee system. Everything is designed to be functional yet discreet, maintaining the clean limousine-style aesthetic. Move toward the private bedroom, and you enter a space built for rest and exclusivity. A king-size bed with a premium mattress, blackout curtains, and climate-controlled comfort create the perfect sleeping environment. Built-in storage blends seamlessly into the design, keeping the space elegant and uncluttered. The bathroom feels more like a luxury hotel spa than an RV feature. High-quality fixtures, a spacious shower, modern vanity, and premium finishes elevate everyday routines into a first-class experience. Technology is at the heart of the 2026 Cadillac V16 Limousine Motorhome. A centralized digital control system allows you to manage lighting, temperature, entertainment, and privacy settings with ease. Advanced safety features and smooth suspension ensure every drive feels confident and controlled. This motorhome is also built for independence. Integrated power systems, battery storage, and water capacity allow comfortable travel without constant stops, making long journeys effortless. The 2026 Cadillac V16 Limousine Motorhome is not just transportation, it's a statement of status, comfort, and sophistication. It's for those who want the journey to feel just as luxurious as the destination. Subscribe to RV TourHub for more elite motorhome tours and tell us, would you choose this rolling luxury palace for your next road adventure?